Hi, good day everyone. My name is Heaven Lances Dalila and I will talk about Dale's cone of experiences. First is, what is Dale cone of experiences? What is Dale's cone of experiences? The cone of experiences is learning model introduced by Edgar Dale that illustrate the concreteness level of learning experiences. Based on the medium, it takes the shape of an invented cone, which shows the abstract learning experiences at its peak and progressed into the most concrete experiences down to the base. What are the level of the cone experiences? The cone experiences originally has 11 levels, but more modern interpretation of the model only includes 10 levels. The top levels include learning mediums and gives learning abstract learning experiences. The first level is verbal symbol. Verbal symbols refers to text or words like terminologies, rules, formulas, and other similar concepts. It's located at the peak of the cone, which means that this is the most abstract learning experiences as they don't give any visual representation of an object. The second level is visual symbols, are graphic representations of concept which includes chart, diagram, infographics, graphs, flower chart, and the like. They are used to help make concept easier for our brains to understand and interpret concepts. The third level is records, radio, and still pictures. This level simplify refers to photographic and audio recordings like podcast. While this level is less abstract, learning are still merely observers. This level also debunk the misconception that auditory media is better than visual media since photos and audio are put together at the same level. The fourth level is motion pictures and educational television. Represent publication, combine motion, pictures, and educational television. On the same level as they are similar mediums, but in the original model, they were counted as separate level. These levels are all about learning videos and animation where both visual and auditory senses are being used. Next is exhibits. Exhibits are meaningful displays with limited handling. This means that something exhibits can be restricted to observation only. Meanwhile, other kinds of exhibits are designed to be interactive, which encourage direct participation and that use the range of senses from learnings. Next is study trip, field trip. Study trip are where learning have the opportunity to observe different objects, situation, activities, and other related information in real-world settings. It's a level that gives learners the fist or real sight and sounds. Next is demonstrations. Demonstrations are visual explanations to how something works. It also works as visual guide on how to do something. Typically, this medium or instruction is used when there are logistic limitations for hands-out learning activities for everyone. In sense, learners more observing something else to do an activity. Next is dramatized experiences. Dramatized experiences are created situations where learners can directly participate, such as role plays that are based on real life happening. Through this activity, learners can immerse themselves in the situation even if it's not the real things yet. This also gives them the opportunity to safely fails in recreated experiences. Next is contrived experiences. Contrived experiences are edited or imitated versions of reality, like mock-ups, simulation, gamification, and models. As some concepts are too complex, this kind of learning experiences make it easier to visualize and understand an object. And the lastly is direct purposeful experiences. Direct purposeful experiences simplify refers to hand-on learnings or practices or a real thing. It's located at the base on the cone of experiences, which means that it gives the most concrete, tangible learning experiences. The purpose of Dale's Cone of Experiences. The main purpose of Cone of Experiences is to help us to identify, select the right audiovisual mediums and resources. For your training initiative, Dale's illustrate that the progressions from the base concrete learning experiences to the top abstract learning experiences, showing the gradual decrease of sensory information. For our conclusion, in illustrational design, the cone of experiences can help you create rich learning experiences by using different training methods and making interactive training lessons. You can also use it as a guide when considering the learning resources to develop. And that's all. Thank you for watching.